Welcome to Hydraulic Press channel.
Hi.
I'm Lauri.
I'm Hanna.
And today I'm going to manufacture my Christmas gift to Hanna. What do you want?
I would like to have some nice flowery perfume.
Okay, that's an easy call for me. We need some flowers, vodka, hydraulic press, and maybe blowtorch.
Sounds.
And some tooling. I have some tooling here. I'm going to slightly modify these. And you can pick the flowers that you want. But since you have seen me like spinning things on the lathe now 10 years, you can go with Hanna to pick up some flowers.
But now I need to get some inspiration for Lauri's perfume, because I'm going to make him also nice perfume. I think maybe this is pig's ears. Lauri is big fan of fish.
Who wouldn't want to smell like cat food?
Yeah, Lauri likes cats and food. I think this might be perfect.
You must think about this very much because you are going to smell it for the rest of the day.
It's me who has to smell that. Also some kind of rubber would be good for Lauri.
So according to Hanna, Lauri smells like lemon, fish and rubber.
Yeah, this is 100% of tuna fillet. So this is gonna smell like Lauri. Then the lemons.
What cheese does Lauri smell like?
Maybe goat cheese.
Hanna wants to smell like vanilla, so we have rose and vanilla maybe.
Yeah, these are already dying, so we might take these. These are also minus 50% off, so these are still really good.
Only thing left, we have the vodka. We need to go grab some vodka from the vodka store.
Yeah.
From Alko.
We found the booze. It's Koskenkorva vodka, Finnish vodka. Yeah, now we have everything, so now we can get back to the workshop and do the video.
Okay, I have the tools ready. You might recognize these. It's the coffee maker. This goes here, and now I'm going to bolt it together. We don't want any leakage. I have been also informed that I'm going to have my own frequency.
Yeah, I know I'm gonna try to bottle Lauri's true essence.
But we are going to first do the Hanna's smell.
Yeah.
It's tight. Now you can put the smelly things inside.
Yeah.
Then we are going to crush it slightly and then pour some fine Finnish vodka on top of that. So we want to keep the pressure high and the flowers inside. So I'm going to put some like coffee paper on the bottom, like raise the pressure and keep the flowers inside. It needs to be like really tight package that the vodka goes through, so it extracts all the smells. If it goes too fast through, then it doesn't have enough time or pressure to get the smells with it.
Does it smell like me?
It doesn't smell much at all. I hope the vodka does the trick. Usually vodka does the trick, all kinds of tricks.
Oh, several things.
Okay, the flowers are there. Let's place this here. And then we don't want to overdo this. Like very slight squeeze, maybe like 50 tons or something like that.
Oops.
Yeah, that looks really good. Yeah, we have just the right amount. It's about the same volume as the coffee bean.
I add some vanilla.
Ooh, that smells nice. We have the smelly parts in. And now we are going to just add vodka there. And then squeeze the vodka through the smelly parts. Okay, this is the sound of Finnish weekend. Finnish ASMR. How much we're going to put?
I have no idea.
Actually, we need a bit more. Then I put this here. Hey, look!
Yeah, something's coming out. Yeah. I hope it's pink. It's pink! Yeah!
It came quite fast.
Yeah.
I think we need to filter this.
Yeah. Yeah, luckily we have the filter papers.
I think we went over of the pressure rating of regular coffee filter. Ooh, it looks amazing!
pink.
And now it smells like booze, so we're going to boil the booze away, or most of it, with the gas torch. So then we are only left with the fine flower smell. Okay. ChatGPT says that we should heat it up to 65 degrees.
Okay.
At that point, most of the ethanol is maybe gone away, but all the smells are there still. If you don't want to be drunk, don't breathe the fumes. I think it should like boil slightly. If the shit ain't boiling, the booze ain't going away. I think the ChatGPT was wrong with this because it's almost half of that is ethanol, so it should shrink like with almost
like a
half.
hell, yeah.
I think now it's like starting to disappear.
Oh, nice boiling. Yeah, now it's good.
And now we don't get drunk
Yeah.
because the ethanol is burning away. I feel like chef on some fine restaurant where you can make also alcohol-free vodka like this.
Who would like to have alcohol-free vodka?
I'm not sure people will
But-
buy weird stuff.
Yeah. You can also just open the tap and take some water.
Okay, let's go outside to cool this down. Yeah, it went down about 1/3.
Yeah.
So now we should have maybe 5% alcohol left, and that's good, so it's like doesn't get moldy. Okay, I think we are ready to bottle this fine product. Okay, here it goes. Okay, it got slight toast. I think it smells like flowers.
Yeah, it does, yeah.
It's a 2 week smell.
But there definitely is a hint of rose.
It smells a bit like apple juice also.
Yeah, juicy smell is this.
Yeah, flower juice. Do you do like this and then? I think the smell is decent, but it's just 2 weak.
Yeah, I think so too.
And I'm afraid that we are not going to be able to produce this in commercial quantities. So you are not going to be able to buy your luxury smell from us. But you can buy luxury dice set from us. And we have a Black Friday sale for this weekend still. And we have also new material, cobalt. So link is down in description. We have all the materials in stock. We almost ran out of the tungsten, but we are machining more as I talk. So if you want to order Christmas gift for somebody, these come well before the Christmas. So if this is my image of Hanna, what is your image about me?
Yeah, I was trying to think everything you like. Lauri is big fan of fish.
No,
So that's why we
that's terrible.
they are. It's
Cat
tuna.
food. Okay,
It's
okay, this is going to have stronger smell, I'm sure about
yeah.
that.
And also another one we really like, Lauri likes, is a goat cheese.
Okay,
For complete Lauri's essence, I would choose the rubber tires and just some old metal junk from workshop, but you can't like infuse these. So that's why we choose goat cheese and fish.
We can put some like cuttings from the saw for some smell of the cutting fluid.
And the top smell is going to be lemon. Okay, it's cooking time. We are starting with fish.
Cat food.
Fish?
Hanna, you bought cat food.
It's 100% tuna fillet.
Oh, smells bad.
You like fish? Okay.
Do you know, Hanna, what is the problem?
Yeah.
Leoko is the most hungry cat.
Yeah.
If we use this and come home, Leoko will eat us.
Eat us, yeah.
Yeah, Leoko is my cat's name. Then I think need for like little bit workshop, saving from the band saw. Just a small tap. Yeah, it looks.
It looks like you.
Where is the vodka?
Otto.
Did our camera guy steal the... Actually, I think it has been Timo. It's like, do you know, like if there's one drop of blood in the swimming pool, sharks are going to smell it mile away. If there is opened vodka bottle in the workshop, Timo is going to smell it from his home.
Yeah.
Okay, we are getting some drips already, so it really wants to come out. Okay, probably the stronger version of the two. Not sure about how pleasant or usable this is going to be. More. What a weird color. Is it like bluish? Okay, let's strip it out. That's probably more than we want.
Yeah, let's get it out.
I am also going to take this out so it doesn't drip rest of the cat food smell on our press. Okay, and now the terrible moment of boiling the excess out. Vodka has really strong smell. I don't smell the cat food yet. I think we are not going to need any temperature meters on
Me
this.
neither.
We are already like experienced perfume makers. I think this is part of my smell. Has to be slightly burned. Oh! This is why drinking makes you fat. There is a lot of energy on alcohol.
Yeah.
If you drink this, then it's going to be energy inside of you. I think now it's ready. It's terrible. What have you, Hanna, made? What is the top smell?
It's you! I think don't.
Okay. To be completely honest, it smells a bit like workshop, like metal shavings.
Yeah.
You can spot one familiar smell there.
Okay, then.
Rest of it.
It's catfish. Cat food. Yeah, but
I
there
think-
is a hint of lemon also.
I would say this is me after I have been the whole day on the workshop.
Yeah.
I'm cleaning the litter box of the cat. At this very moment, this might be the like.
That's you.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, Hanna, thanks.
You're welcome.
This is the best Christmas gift ever. Bad news. I have left the thermal camera at home. I wanted to spy on some wildlife with that. So I'm not going to crush the car jack today because I have done it many times without thermal. But instead I'm going to do this. It's an amazing big ass candle crush.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, billion candles in one go, all lit on fire. And that is all for today.
Thank you for watching.
And have a nice day.